First time visitors without online ticket don't need to worry. Free darshan is possible by SSD Slotted Sarva Darshan tokens issued by TTD. SSD tokens means time slotted based free darshan system given a fixed reporting time to avoid the long queue. Tokens are available in three main Tirupati centers: Srinivasam complex near bus stand, Vishnu Nivasam complex near railway station, Bhudevi complex in Alipiri. Tokens are limited and first come first serve. Lines can be started as early as midnight. Reaching early greatly increase the chance. Accommodation is available in complex like dormitory with lockers and basic bedding at low cost. Best strategy: arrive between 12 to 1 am, especially during weekends and festivals when crowds are higher. Requirements and process: original Aadhaar card mandatory, live photo plus face verification at the center. Printed tokens include time, date, entry gate, and QR code. Important rule: tokens are non-transferable. Only one token per person in 30 days. After getting token, reach Vakuntham Q complex VQC on time. Late arrival, token cancelled. Safety tips: token is completely free. Avoid agents and scams. Only original Aadhaar card accepted. Rules may change based on the crowd. Check official websites. SSD tokens are designed to reduce the waiting time and manage the crowd flow efficiently by assigning fixed slot. Counters usually open early in the morning around 5 am but may start early during the heavy rush. If you did not get the online ticket, just reach the Tirupati early, midnight if possible. Stand in a queue at the official counter and you can still get the free darshan through SSD token. If you like the information, please like this video or share who want to go there. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Govinda, Govinda.